don't come across too many of these sexy little 1968 Chevrolet Camaro SS numbers matching 4-speed bucket seat console car in this beautiful red finish paint job. Wheel and tire package, aftermarket, of course. If you don't like the wheel and tire package, we can swap them out for factory rallies. So either one is your choice. Those are 17-inch on the car right now. Again, guys, this is a numbers matching RSSS 4-speed 350 car in beautiful red paint. I'm gonna walk the car and I'm gonna show you everything about this beautiful little Camaro that we just got in. Now, how can you tell it's an RS? Some people ask me, you see the reverse, those two white lights on the bottom of the bumper, below the bumper? That's an indication of an RS, okay? If it was just an SS or a regular Camaro, the reverse lights would be in the tail light, not on the bottom below the bumper. So that's one indication, and obviously there's some other indications that it's a rally sport car. So beautiful finish, awesome bezels all around on the rear tail lights, like new chrome bumpers, beautiful 17-inch wheels, beautiful finish on the weather stripping all around the car, stainless steel around the whole glass of the car is in showroom quality condition. Emblems look great, as they should and as they do. There's your wipers, beautiful fit and finish. There's the correct hood for the Super Sport model. And yes, it is a 350 car, and I will show you on how we can prove that it's a real numbers matching car with the codes on the block, the stamp pad, so to speak. Nice, excellent rally sport grille there with the beautiful chrome bumper, and also the rear bottom spoiler, or spoiler chin spoiler, however you want to label that. Look at that beautiful stance. Let's check out the interior. Beautiful rockers, excellent outer door jamb. Excellent door lips. The little rubber pads go here and here. Okay, so I have those on order. Excellent door panels. Correct steering wheel for the SS model. There's your 4-speed center console with gauges. Seat belts all original, intact there. Excellent dash pad. No blemishes. Nice headliner, dome light works. Nice package tray rear seats with the seat belts. Beautiful. Now, let's check out the passenger side. All right, excellent chrome door handles. There's your door lips. Okay, the door wants to close on its own. Like I said, door sill plates are new. Rockers are excellent. Outer jambs on the passenger side. Vertical strip. There's your weather stripping. Door jambs are beautiful. And also the door panel, as it should be. Beautiful restored condition. Excellent interior. There is nothing to complain about. Listen to this thing, how it closes. Oh yeah. I don't see any nicks, any scratches, no rust. Everything is in pristine condition on this little numbers matching RSSS car. Close this. There's a little scuff right there. So we're gonna get that touched up. That's one little area. And that's about it. Beautiful. Let's check out the trunk. So if you guys have been looking for a numbers matching RS SS car, well, honestly, I think you found it. There's not too many of these rolling around. If I can find the right keys, you'll be able to pop the trunk. Excellent finish, also in the trunk area. Beautiful quarters. Trunk is rock solid, no issues. This is where you put your fuel in, boys, right here. If you didn't know, that's where it goes. Underneath, 12-bolt Posi. Gorgeous underneath, new suspension. Multi-leaves are excellent. Brand new tires. Floor pans are solid. So, now, let's see what's under the hood. So to open up the hood on the RS is under the bumper here. You pull that, all right. There you go. One hand. Voila. Numbers matching 350 motor to this RS SS car. So right in here is a stamp pad, if you guys didn't know. Now you do. Let's zoom in. See that number? 1132. Okay, so that's the stamp pad number. Now what you do is walk over to the VIN and you make sure the last four numbers match the numbers on the stamp pad, 1132. So there's your proof on the numbers matching. You got power disc brakes, headers upgraded, aluminum radiator upgraded, beautiful car. Here's your cow tag if you guys want to do a little homework. Original color was a Y2. If you guys want to do a little homework, you can. Okay. Show you guys that the RS lights work. There's your switch right here. Pull it. All right, now. Should be open. All right. Now we'll go back, hit that switch, and now they should be closed. There we go. Turn signals all work properly. All right, the car is showing 81,642 miles. I love this job. function. Everything works there. The gauges function. Seat belts. Reverse shifter. Isn't that something, guys? A numbers matching RS SS, man. I can't believe it. This Kenwood radio does not work. Okay. We could install a new one for you guys. We do Bluetooth radios with 4 speakers for $650 installed. And if you want the rally wheels instead of these, we can put Redline tires on it. Very cool. It would give it a very cool vintage look. Or these look really nice too. I mean, these are $2,000 set of wheels. So that's that, guys. My beautiful 68 RS SS 350 4-speed power steering, power brake, factory 12-bolt car, numbers matching that I showed you in my video. If you guys need financing, if your credit score is 700 and 700 to the 800s, I get you done in about 15 minutes. Great interest rates. And if your credit score is like 600 to 649, you might need 20% down. And if your score is like 650 to 699, you'll need definitely 10% down. So that's that on my little RS car, man. I get a lot of muscle cars, but I don't get a lot of numbers matching RS SS cars. And this one is definitely an investment grade car because of that. So don't fall asleep on this one. If you've been looking, pull the trigger, make yourself happy, treat yourself to something nice. Great investment grade car, okay? I got a lot of nice cars, guys. Go to mgmclassiccars.com. You'll see a lot of beautiful cars, about 75 beautiful classics. I travel the country, I look for these things. I have great people who even assist me to find these classic cars. And I'm really thankful for them as well because they are honest people that I deal with. I'm 100% transparent on everything that I sell. I have great reviews. I'm not bragging, just giving you the facts and giving you transparency. It's very important when you're spending $1 or you're spending $50,000, $100,000. You should be told the truth on what you're buying. And this is what everything is that I shared with you. Okay, I would love to take you guys for a test drive, but I can't. It's the end of January and it's winter. The streets are sloppy, there's salt on the roads, and I'm not taking this little bad boy and doing that. I'm not the one gonna be doing that. So keep that in mind. You got the financing down. If you need delivery, call me, text me, email me at 847-848-1850. If you're on YouTube, click the bottom right-hand red button that says subscribe. That way you'll get all of our new arrivals. If you're not on YouTube that often, don't want to do it, you just want to get on my new arrival list, text me your email. I'll put you on the list, okay? If you're on Facebook a lot, go to the search bar, type in MGM Classic Cars, like the page, share it with your friends. Tell them, hey, I'm interested, I'm thinking about buying this car. What do you guys think? Share it, like it, okay? So again, my name's Thomas. I can be reached at 847-848-1850. And don't forget, guys, mgmclassiccars.com. Thanks for watching.